In this video, I'll show you how to sync audio with video in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut on your computer and create a new project, or open the project you are already editing. Import both your video file and your audio file into the media panel, then drag them onto the timeline. Place your video on the main video track and place your audio underneath it on an audio track. If the audio is already inside your video, but it is not synced properly, you can right-click the video clip and choose Extract Audio or Separate Audio. This will separate the sound from the video so you can move it freely. Now, zoom in on the timeline. You can use the timeline zoom slider or hold Control and scroll with your mouse wheel if that works in your version. Zooming in makes it easier to line up the audio and video accurately. Look for a clear sync point in both the video and the audio. This could be a clap, a spoken word, a beat, a door closing, a hand movement, or any moment where you can clearly see an action and hear the matching sound. Click and drag the audio clip left or right until the sound lines up with the matching moment in the video. For example, if someone claps on screen, move the audio until the clap sound happens exactly when the hands touch. To make syncing easier, watch the audio waveform. The waveform shows the loud parts of the audio as higher peaks. A clap, snap, beat, or strong word usually creates a visible spike. Line that spike up with the matching frame in the video. After moving the audio, play the section and listen carefully. If the sound happens too early, move the audio slightly to the right. If the sound happens too late, move it slightly to the left. Make small adjustments until the timing feels correct. If you recorded separate camera audio and external microphone audio, you can use the original camera sound as a guide. Keep both audio tracks visible, line up the waveform peaks, and then mute or delete the lower quality camera audio after syncing. If the audio starts synced but becomes out of sync later, the clips may have different frame rates or recording speeds. In that case, check whether the audio needs a very small speed adjustment. Before exporting, play the full video from start to finish. Check the beginning, middle, and end to make sure the audio stays matched with the video the whole time. Once everything sounds and looks correct, click Export in the top right corner. Choose your resolution, frame rate, and file settings, then export the finished video to your computer. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.